In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to Bonk Bot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to trade tokens on the Solana network through the bot interface. To begin, open the Telegram application on your device. Once the app is open, locate the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Bonk Bot and look for the official bot in the search results. This is the bot you will connect to your Phantom wallet. After finding Bonk Bot, tap on it to open the chat interface. You should see a message welcoming you to the bot. To initiate interaction, click on the start button at the bottom of the screen. This action will activate the bot and display the main menu options. Within the menu, you will see several options. Look for either Connect Wallet or Import Wallet and select it by tapping on it. This selection will prompt the next set of choices regarding wallet connection. Next, choose the option labeled Import Existing Wallet. This will allow you to input your existing wallet details from Phantom Wallet into Bonk Bot. Make sure you have your wallet information ready for the next steps. Now, open your Phantom Wallet application. Once inside, navigate to the settings section by tapping on the gear icon, which is usually located in the top corner of the screen. From there, select the option labeled Security and Privacy to access the necessary settings for recovery. In this section, look for the option to reveal your secret recovery phrase. Once you find it, tap on it to display the phrase carefully, as it will be needed to import your wallet into Bonk Bot. After copying your secret recovery phrase, return to the Bonk Bot chat, paste the phrase into the chat input area and send it. The bot will process this information to import your wallet. Once the import is successful, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the bot is now connected to your wallet. After importing, the bot will successfully connect to your wallet, enabling you to trade tokens on the Solana network. Ensure that you are aware of your available tokens and any necessary transaction fees before proceeding with trades.